Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, July the 1st, 2022, first day in July. And in this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. The first one I have already solved is the 2 Star Sudoku. Then I will do a binary and a tectonic. But first, Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 4785. Yeah, 4785. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this 4-star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. And for 4 stars puzzle, yes, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit for a 4 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 2 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 1 5, no, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So it's divided. Yes, divided. Alright. Interesting. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this column. Third column. So no 2 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Alright. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, then the 9 in the last row. Oh, we have 4 nines. Unbelievable. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the middle row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So no row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second column. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? The number. Well, 3. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then, the 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the second row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need more information. 5, 5. Okay. Do we have all the lines? Let me check. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 1, number 9. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. 4, 4, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then, yeah, 6, 6, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have 8 and the 3 in the last row, so no 8 and 3 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and the 3, 8 and the 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. So the 2, the 5, and the 7. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Alright, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5, it should be there. Alright. In this column, we need also a 5. 4 missing numbers. We need a 5 in this column. But we already have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Well, I see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 6. What 8, 8, 8. Then, let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. Okay. The one in this column, the one in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in this row, so no one there, one should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 5. 6. Okay. Can I continue with the 2 then? No. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the 2 should be here. Alright. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Interesting. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay, let me mark those. 3 and the 8. Again, here again. 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 in this column, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Then. Okay. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8 and a 3. 3, 3, 3. Yes. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes here. 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. This 6 is missing. 2 numbers left. In the last column, the 6 and the 5, I see here, I've marked those, this box with 6 and a 5. Well, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes, 2 and a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 8 and a 3. I've marked those. 8 and 3. Well, we already have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box give me 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row. Middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, 16 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.